Attention, America. As we gear up for tax season starting on January 27th, the IRS is sounding the alarm with a high alert warning that could shake up your finances. Millions are counting on their federal income tax returns, essential lifelines for keeping roofs over heads and food on the table. But hold on, there's a significant twist that could change everything you thought you knew about this tax season. Are you ready to find out how to safeguard your wallet this year? Let's dive into the critical details you need to know. Hello, everyone. In a surprising turn of events, Donald Trump has issued a major threat to approximately 90,000 IRS agents. This isn't merely political rhetoric, it's a move that's raised serious concerns about potential delays in tax processing. Imagine your much-needed tax return being stuck in limbo. This is a reality many Americans could face this year. For millions of Americans, receiving a tax return could mean the difference between financial stability and hardship. The IRS, known for its strict enforcement of tax laws, initially planned to hire 88,000 new enforcement agents. They aim to target tax cheats who have been exploiting loopholes in the system, primarily focusing on the millionaires and billionaires who have often found ways to minimize their tax liabilities. However, there's a significant catch. The new hires may lack the requisite experience to effectively tackle complex tax evasion cases. Picture recent graduates or fresh hires trying to take on seasoned tax lawyers who have mastered the intricate details of tax avoidance. The Trump administration's threats extend beyond just shifting personnel. If employment contracts are terminated without appropriate replacements, who will ensure that taxes are collected fairly? This situation could have far-reaching implications for the entire federal government's revenue stream, which is reliant on efficient tax collection. With fewer agents analyzing tax returns, the potential for delays increases significantly. Here are 5 actionable steps you can take. Double-check your filing info. Ensure that all your documents are in order. Check your W-2s, 1099s, and any other relevant tax documents. 2. Stay updated on changes. Follow the latest IRS announcements to understand any changes that could affect your tax return. 3. Consider professional help. Consulting with a tax expert can provide invaluable assistance, especially in navigating complex tax changes or if you expect the IRS to scrutinize your return. 4. Be aware of potential delays. Given the current situation, expect longer processing times. Plan accordingly for how you'll handle your finances if your tax refund is delayed. 5. Educate yourself. Knowledge is your best defense. Familiarize yourself with your tax rights and any updates regarding audits and enforcement. Join our community by leaving a comment below. As we approach this tax season, it's also essential to understand the broader economic context. The inflation rate has been fluctuating, affecting everything from groceries to gas prices. This economic instability is why many taxpayers rely heavily on their returns. Delayed refunds due to staffing issues at the IRS, compounded with rising costs from inflation, create a challenging landscape for American taxpayers. What does this mean for your financial health? Here are some resources to check out. 1. IRS.gov. The official website provides essential updates, forms, and a wealth of information about filing taxes. 2. Tax preparation. Software. Programs like TurboTax or H&R Block facilitate a more manageable filing experience while providing guidance specific to your situation. 3. Local community programs. Many local organizations offer free tax assistance through IRS Volunteer Income Tax Assistance (VITA) programs. 4. Financial advisors. Consider speaking to a professional. Sometimes, a minimal investment in tailored advice can yield substantial long-term savings. As the situation with the IRS unfolds and tax season commences, your vigilance is paramount. Stay connected for the latest updates and insights on tax matters that directly impact you. Thanks for tuning in. If this video helped you or sparked some questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, take care and stay informed.